So here's, as you go up, and here's the kitchen. 2Gs for scale. And then here's the next floor. Living room. 2J for trying to look in the kid. Little music room, sitting area. Don't know. And then, as Judy said, bathroom. Going up. Got some kind of closet. Little bedroom. Bedroom.
Master bed.
Bath.
That's
Master
not the
bed.
Ooh, master bed. Ooh. This should be good for
Walk-in
TV.
bath. Cool sink and closet. So I think that's the third floor. Let's look at the view. Nice view.